Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, thank you for the much love. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this quick and easy breakfast idea using bread and egg. It's called bread omelette. So if you want to see how I make this, keep watching. To that, let's get started. So I have some slices of bread. I'm gonna use my knife to run through them. This is what we want to achieve. So we're gonna do all this bread the same way. I'll repeat the same process until I'm done with all the slices of bread. So I'm done. This is what we have. Next, I will be breaking some egg into these plates. I'll be adding some bell pepper, red and green, chopped tomatoes, chopped white onion, pinch of black pepper, and I'll also be making use of tuna fish. You can use any fillings of your choice. If you want to use fillings, that's fine. So I'm using tuna fish. You can use sardine, you can use sausage, whatever filling, chicken, turkey, whatever filling you have. Because my tuna fish is a bit salty, I won't be adding salt. Stir this, then set aside. So I have my pan on the stove. I'll go ahead to add some butter. I'll allow the butter to melt down. I won't be using all the butter because I realize it's too much. I'm gonna take off some, and I think this is enough for me. So I'll be placing the bread be cut off the bread edges. Next, I'll go ahead to scoop some of the eggs and place in the bread like this. Just give it time to cook at the down parts before flipping it to the other side. Right now, go ahead to flip the bread to the other side. So I'll be adding in more butter. I will cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for about 1 minute. It's about 1 minute already. Just check on it. So our bread is ready. I'll be taking it off the heat. I'll repeat the same process for the rest of the bread. As you can see, our bread omelette is ready, and I hope you share this recipe with your friends and family. I'll also be leaving everything I use for this recipe in the description. Make sure you go there to check them out, okay? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.